If you ever wanted to create a fun and animated storybook for kids without writing from scratch, then in this video, I'll show you how to make an engaging and colorful storybook for kids using AI just like this. With readkidz, AI helps you build picture books and story videos in minutes. You can make money if you publish them on Amazon, and you can even upload your finished videos directly to YouTube. Let me show you how simple it is.
Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
After clicking on the link given in the description below, you will be taken to the readkidz AI website. This AI tool is a one-stop solution for diverse, consistent, and publishable children's books and videos. First thing you need to do is get an account. For this purpose, click on Try readkidz for free button. You can sign up for free and test this out. I'm going to get signed into my account. After coming to the homepage, you can easily generate picture books with AI, or you can also write your own story and readkidz turns it into a beautiful picture book with Use My Story feature. With template, you can easily start with pre-designed structures. Scroll down a bit, and you can find a number of pre-made templates, where you can get some inspiration from these templates. To start a new book, click on AI Generate button. Now here you can select either single book or book series. I will go with single book option. It will bring us to this page. In this first step, we will first choose the reader age. I will target children between the age of 3 and 5 years. Then we will choose the type of story. I select bedtime story. Then here we need to choose the writing style, so I think heartwarming is okay for me. Apart from that, we need to choose an aspect ratio. I leave it to 16:9. Next, in this box, we need to enter a brief story description. If you already have a story idea, you can enter it. Otherwise, below you will find some story ideas. You can choose any of them. I select this. After satisfied with all the settings, click on AI Generate button. And it will generate the story for us in a few moments. Here you can see that AI has generated a story for us. You can read this story and make modifications to it if you want. Now, click on Extract Roles button. And this will create the different characters that are present in our story. So these are the different roles we have. Click on Confirm. Now you can see all the roles of our story here. If you want, you can change the title of the story. Once everything is checked, you can simply click on Confirm Role. All the basic information of the roles once confirmed, it cannot be modified. In this next part, we pick the style of the storybook. Scroll down and you can see many styles available here. Select the style that can attract your viewers. I'm going to pick this one. Click on the Next button, and it will take you to the third step. In this third step, we need to generate an image for each of these characters. You can click on this icon and edit your character's skin color, hairstyle, facial features, etc. Now select a character, and hit the Generate button to create an image for that character. In a short while, it will generate 4 images of our character. You can select any image you want from them. I will select this, which is U3. Now we will select the image for our next character under the same process. After creating the character images, click on the Next button. In this fourth and final part, if you need to edit the story for your book, you can easily edit any part that you feel like editing. For example, if you want to enter or edit any word on page 2, you can edit it like this. You can also add a page by hovering your mouse here and clicking on this plus icon, if there is need for that. Now, click on Next button. It'll bring us to the next part. Now here we will generate images for each page one by clicking on the Generate button. In a short while, it will generate 4 images for each page in front of us, from which you can choose any image you like. Using the same method, we generate images for all the pages of our storybook. By clicking on the Preview button above, we can preview our book. After generating all the images, click on the Next button. After coming to this page, you can modify text, like text placement, text style, font color, etc. To add audio to the background of Kids Book video, we will click on the Audio button in the right panel here. From here, we can choose from different voices for the characters for our storybook. I select this voice for my character. Now, tick these boxes and hit the Generate button. After that, we will add music to the background of our kid storybook. For this purpose, we will click on the music icon in the right panel and select any music of our choice from here. I select this one. Now, click on the Present button to see how everything looks.
Dad, is it really tomorrow we're going to the zoo? Yes, Tommy. I'll teach you all about the animals, Dad smiled.
You can see it looks excellent. After satisfied with all our settings, we will click on these three dots here, and we can export our book to PDF, and we can also export just our images. Now, to export our video, we will click on the Generate Video button and give our project a name. From here we will select effects and animations for our video and click the Generate button. In a short time, our video has been generated successfully. Let's view our video to see how everything looks.
Tommy's Wild Zoo Adventure. Dad, is it really tomorrow we're going to the zoo? Yes, Tommy. I'll teach you all about the animals, Dad smiled. Breakfast. Tommy could hardly sit still. I've got my notebook ready for animal facts. At the zoo entrance, Dad reached into his pocket. A junior's zoologist badge. Now you're my special assistant. Look at the enormous elephant, Dad. Its trunk has 40,000 muscles. Want to see how it drinks? Yes, show me how they use their trunk. They suck water up, then spray it into their mouth like this.
You can see it looks excellent. And of course, you can create a channel on YouTube and upload such cartoon videos, and these videos get millions of views. Many such channels are working on YouTube and are earning a lot of money by uploading such cartoon videos. Apart from uploading these videos to your YouTube channel, you can also sell these books on Amazon KDP. Click here and download it. Click the link in the description to try readkidz for yourself and start creating picture books and story videos in minutes.